Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix QR code scanner not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and click on camera, and now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear cache memory, then go back to the main page and open your camera. In camera, on top left corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can see the option QR code. Now here you can turn it on or off. After turn on or off, then go back to your home screen and open settings again. Now scroll down and here you can see the option my phone. Now click on it and then click on check for updates. Now here you can update your phone. If you doesn't update your phone, then update it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.